Hey guys, Lois here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to pick the right products for Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly calls, and it's also a good place for sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, here's a video for today. Um, and the first step that you guys need to do is you need to open up your Amazon product page and also your target product page, right? And then from here, you plug in the cost. Make sure they match first. I'm sorry. Make sure they match, right? So check the color, title, description, photos of the product, and then plug in the cost. So this one is $27.99, right? So plug it here, $27.99 for the cost. And then the estimated sales a month is 220 sales a month. This thing is a variation. So again, I would go down the variations tab, pick the variation, and then check it. Man, it's not working. It's not working, so I would go to Keepa. But actually, based on the Keepa chart, though, it says a lot already based on the Keepa chart, right? So this exact product, Amazon has been on the listing most of the past 3 months and most of the year too. If you zoom out, you click on here, year. So in the past year, Amazon has been on this listing and they've been selling this product at $27.99. So to me, this is not a good product because once they go back on the listing, right, you're going to be getting a negative ROI on your product. So obviously, you're not going to buy a product that's going to net you a negative ROI, right? So let me just repeat that if you missed it. So Amazon has been on the listing for the past year, and they've been selling this product at $27.99. So based on historical data, they can always come back to the listing and drop the price. The current price is at $55, but as soon as they go back to the listing, they might or they will drop the price to $27.99, right? So to me, that's not worth the risk. So this product is going to be skipped. Next one is this Home Depot. What is this? Socket. So it's a socket set, right? For $29.97. So again, you plug it here, the cost, so $27.97. It's only giving you a negative, I'm sorry, not negative, but an 8% ROI based on the current sale price. So I would go down. Hold on a second. So again, the problem with this is Amazon has been on the listing again, right? The past, I want to say 2 months, and I mean recently too. Amazon has been on the listing, yeah, this past few months, on and off, right? And then if you zoom out the past year, yes, Amazon has been on this listing the past year, and they've been selling this product at $29.97, which is the same price, right, as a supplier. So to me, this is a big risk to take because yes, the current price is higher, right? It's been selling at $48, but the problem is Amazon has been on the listing for the past year. So based on historical data, Amazon could always come back to the listing, right, and drop the price at $30, and you're going to be at a negative ROI. So this one is going to be another skip. Okay. Next one is this. What is this? So crib sheet set. Okay. So it's a bunch of sheets. Cost is $18.99. So plug it here, $18.99. So 40% ROI is what we're seeing here on Seller Amp. And this one looks like a new product. Very interesting. Let's see. So ROI is 40%. Estimated sales a month is 151. So again, I'm sorry, it's a variation. So again, you go down to variations, click on the exact variation and check it. So this exact variation is selling, or has the 17% reviews. So I would take 17% of the estimated sales amount of the whole listing. So you pull up your calculator and you type in 151, right? Yeah, 151 sales a month times 0.17. So this exact variation is getting 25 sales a month, and it's giving you a 40% ROI, right? So from here you go down to listing, right? And now you have to decide, am I okay with selling 25 sales a month with 6 other sellers with this much inventory, and you're getting an ROI of 14% minimum. So I mean, to me, it's okay. It's a decent product. I'm a little concerned about the 14% ROI because it's only selling 25 times a month, right? So to me, this is pretty low, very low compared to the sales per month, right? It can jump up to like a higher ROI, but the problem is there's not enough sales volume, right, to really risk on pricing at a higher ROI. So to me, this is very risky. So I would skip this one. But the good thing is this other variation here is getting more sales at 25% reviews, right? So I would go to airplanes. So I would go to that exact variation, right? Oh, I haven't. Click on it. And then what I would do is I would do a reverse search on this product. So again, you go to seller amp and then you click here where it says G. There's that. And then I like going to not images, shopping. And then now you have to look for the exact same product, but also cheaper because you need it cheaper, right? To get some margins. And I think the product is here, but it's about the same price or more expensive than Amazon's price. Same with this one. Same with this one at Target. So yeah, we found the exact same product, right? With the product that's getting more sales, but the problem is it's not really getting um the prices are not congruent, meaning the price on Amazon is about the same price as the price on their website, so it's not going to work out. But I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to put the link in my description below. And that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.